What's up?
What's up, my boy?
Met your boy. It's pretty nice. I like it.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Super cool guy. This the F80 right here that you guys are doing. Bone stock. Just how you asked for it.
Yes, sir. And it's clean.
Yeah, super clean. It's like my brother's car.
Maybe it's clean as some of the ones that we've worked on already.
Yeah. So, man, how you doing?
Man, I'm good.
Noe, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What's up, bro? How you doing? Morning. This is Steven.
Hey, Chris, he's the one that does the photography stuff.
Yeah.
I saw him
And
at
the steering wheel. Yeah.
Oh, he did your steering wheel?
Uh-huh.
That's sick. Nice job.
The black rims look sweet.
You like them?
It's a change.
Yeah. It's a personality change, I feel like. I miss the chrome, though.
This is the same guy that did your other race?
Uh-huh. Yeah. Look how much trash I got. Fucking Snickers. Trick-or-treating over here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take this bumper off. What's up, my brother? How you doing?
Good.
Morning.
Good to see you.
I'm surprised you're not rolling this morning.
What do you mean?
Jiu-jitsu, bro. Saturday morning.
I thought about it, but
Yeah.
I had obviously the shoot and
Yeah,
then we have
for
the
sure,
field
for
fest
sure.
just to go there, check
Oh,
it
yeah,
out,
you're
and
going
plan
over
it
there.
out.
I don't know if I'm going. I might go, but I have a haircut at like 1:30.
It's more important though, you know.
Yeah.
But this is nice. This is fully stocked.
Yeah, that's what they asked for, and I'm Mr. Dot Connector, so
I think he has like winter tires on.
maybe. Yeah, they look
Yeah.
winter tires. Yeah, I think it came from up north. Actually.
Oh, he did?
Yeah, he just got it not too
Really?
long ago.
Okay.
Yeah, he had a 330i that he fully modded out,
Okay.
and then he got this.
But gentlemen, this is like probably the best car you can get
Oh
for
yeah,
the bang for the buck, right? Because
100%.
I think you got to find a clean one because a lot of people dog these cars, you know. And
To find one stock like this is
yeah,
it's
yeah.
tough.
And the way you could kind of look underneath the car, see if any bolts were to change and stuff.
Yeah, my
But-
brother got one last year in January,
Yeah.
28,000 miles.
Really?
Yeah,
That's-
but now
that's
I
low.
mean the prices are skyrocketing.
Yeah. But this
Yeah.
is nice though. You
Yeah,
can
it
definitely
is
tell
nice.
it's, again, probably out north, the winter tires.
mhm.
You can definitely tell by those emblems on the side where it indicates the snow.
Oh.
See that little snowflake there?
Yeah.
Yeah, but other than that, this is probably a good car for us to showcase that you should protect it regardless.
Oh, he has the parking assistance too.
Yeah.
The cameras on the side. What's up, guys? We're here at South Florida Motorsports. Ken is gonna be vlogging. I'm gonna be vlogging because the Meyer Fab team. Justin's not gonna be here. He's out of town. But Steven just joined the team. He's the engineer behind the design of the F80 guard, and then there's a G99 coming through later that he's gonna measure up, so we might capture some of that content, some of the behind the scenes for these guys. So these are really good friends of mine, so that's why I'm here and showcasing the product. They make everything here in the US, designed, lasered, everything is here in the US. So it's probably one of the only companies that does the oil cooler guards here in the US without having to outsource manufacturing, etc. I obviously help them out with connecting people together and also product development, so figuring out what part to make next, because depending on different problems that I encounter or other people encounter, since I'm out in the community, a lot of people talk to me, so I get that feedback, bring it back to them, and we come up with a plan. We're doing an F80 guard. I did a DIY on my brother's car to show you guys how easy it is to do it by yourself, but they're going to be putting this up on the lift. Shout out to SFL Motorsports here in Margate, and we're going to get under this car and just catch a vibe here. I'm here to just chill with the guys, kind of like a day in the barbershop. We'll see what the G99 looks like under the car too. I didn't see the new wheels.
I peeped when you came through. Definitely changed.
Yeah.
I like black wheels.
Yeah?
Not all the time, but
Yeah.
depends on the car and it fits.
Yeah, I feel like it fits this right now, but I only did it because I'm wrapping the car,
Yeah.
so I didn't think the polish was gonna match with the. Yeah, I don't want to give out too many hints, but yeah, after Invasion, we're gonna get a different set of wheels on this. That's gonna pop. So
I think Skyscraper Gray, that's what it is, right?
yeah, skyscraper.
It's such an underrated color.
It is, bro.
It
is.
People sleep on it.
Honestly, I think it's one of the best like base colors.
Yeah, you don't have to pay a crazy
Yeah.
dollar option.
You
for it,
don't.
but
Yeah.
I think it's probably, besides Brooklyn Gray, a lot of people get Brooklyn Gray, but Skyscraper Gray is definitely one of those hidden
Yeah,
gems.
it's
for a late
underrated
run.
for sure.
Yeah.
You don't see them that
It's
much.
gonna age well. Like this.
Yeah,
is
mineral
gonna age
gray,
well.
100%.
Even
And it's dirty
Silverstone.
right now
Yeah.
too, and you can't tell.
No, I agree.
Mr. Troy and the Touring. This one's about to go on the lift right now. This thing is so OEM, guys. Very clean. And Troy's getting measured up under the car. He had a few mishaps when he first got the car. I'll see if he wants to talk about it or not, but I'll just tell you guys if anything. I love the mineral gray. Look at that. All right, my boy's all protected. Boom, you guys see it. F80 oil cooler guard. This also fits the M4 F82 and the M2 competition. You have to cut, for the M2 comp, you have to cut it over here, right?
So for right now, the M2 comp, it's one piece. This whole thing is one piece. So you need to, if you do want to have these still on there and have this guard, you do need to make a cut around. Everything should bolt up after that.
Okay. Or you could just rock it with just this.
Or you could just rock it with just this.
Nah, but
now he's fully protected. It's just like having a comp.
Yeah. No raw dogging.
Not raw dog.
So you got the vents on this side to let the heat dissipate through the back. A lot of airflow going on here. Very seamless and flat with the body lines of the car, the underbody, and yeah, it looks good. What do you think, brother?
I love it.
You love it?
I love it. Thank you again for the opportunity.
Initiation, you gotta bang it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look, he's taking rocks out of it.
Definitely way better than your brother.
Yeah, my brother was a limp rock. He's all protected now. Let's put a rock right there. No, I'm just kidding. Beautiful, beautiful car. Troy's up next. I think they're gonna measure this today and see what this looks like under, because it also has an exposed oil cooler. It's crazy. How do you make them? I mean, you know, everything is engineered the right way, but it's just so exposed, and they've done it for generations after generations of these cars. Whatever. That gives a business a market to go after. This thing is so sick, though. Oh yeah, he's wow. That sound. It's nice.
I think it's sick.
Yeah, and it's comfy too. What's the game plan? What are you doing?
Hey, I think we're looking at this M5 right now.
What's wrong with it though?
It got a problem with
That boy said, you about to see.
You'll see. When we get this car, oh, that's a cool shot.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah. Let's stop talking. Let's stop blocking. All right, there it is, the oil cooler guard. First time looking at it on a G99 M5. Looks like they did it again. They did it again.
I would be curious if we took this off and tapped it off.
If you took what off?
If we took this off and
Oh, and the F80 one fitted?
BMW, man.
If you guys are looking for a 3D scanner, there's one right here. The 3D scanner is called Steven.
don't watch the drawing.
Don't watch the drawing.
There's multiple iterations.
But yeah, I'm not gonna tell you exactly what he's doing, because then anybody could do it, right? Right, Steven? Anybody could do it?
Anybody can do it.
That goes to school.
If you have the willpower and the mindset to do it.
And the right YouTube tutorial
And
video.
the right person like Nelly.
What? You giving me credit for what?
Just being a good guy.
Damn. So what class did you take to do this?
What's up?
Art history?
Art history.
Uh-huh.
Race class. Sex.
Race class?
Sex, gender, all that.
Oh God. And if you guys were curious about what an M5 Touring looks like under the car, let's take a little walkthrough. It has, what is this called? I forgot. H-pipe, I think, where it splits off. Actually, no. I don't know what I'm talking about. There's two downpipes, one on this side, one on this side. The G80 comes from both downpipes on this side, right? And it crosses over with a crossover bar, but this one has one on this side, one on this side. Shoots back, resonators, more resonators. and then the axle back on this side. Hopefully I showed you that without getting too dizzy. These pipes look like maybe like 3.5 inch, maybe 3 inches. And then there's an insane amount of chassis support here. Look at this. And look at these braces. I mean, you definitely need a lot of support to keep this car stable. This is like a 1/2 inch brace that goes pretty much throughout the whole car. Look at this. Right here goes, I think it mounts right here, and then it starts again right here on this side. You got the same air deflectors over here, and then this whole plate that extends up to the front right at the oil cooler, and then they don't protect it, and then you're at the front bumper. Crazy engineering. The man has gotten his drawings.
We'll see it from close. My 3D scanner might be off today, I don't know. The zero tolerance 3D scanner.
Zero tolerance 3D scanner is funny.
I can hold to plus or minus quarter inch.
Plus or minus quarter? That's a lot.
How does that, in the aerospace industry, how does that hold up?
Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed that video. Hopefully it was informative and you learned something today. It was a nice little chill vlog with the guys here at South Florida Motorsports, Ken, Steven, and obviously Antonio from Aerotech Carbon. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.